about the year before that his wife liked that one better. I was like, what? Like, your wife's gonna make that decision for you? Like, I was like, you get used to it. You always want the newer one. When you buy one and they change it, you always want the newer one better. You know what I mean? They will. Remember, he has the car, dude, so you can't go as fast as you can.
So just tell him to leave it right here?
No, he can follow us. Just go out there.
What, are we gonna go down that way?
No, we'll always go. Or should we tell him to park it and then you go in here? Or? Yeah, okay, no.
What? Tell him to park right here?
Yeah, let's just park it here.
Or over here? Oh, close to the path. Oh, shit. Got it on the dash cam.
That's sick. Oh, he's lifting. That looks like